Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the languages on the Twitter application that will be displayed to you. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option, and then click on the settings button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this arrow button in the upper left corner. Scroll down till you find the accessibility, display and languages section. Tap on languages, which is the third option, and here click on recommendations, where you need to select which languages you want recommended tweets, people and trends to include. Here are three recommended languages, such as English, German and Hungarian. If you tap on the show more button, a bunch of other languages will appear to you, so all you have to do is tapping on this button next to the language and press the button down below in order to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.